Assalamualaikum students. Dear students, today I am going to introduce you the parts of speech. In any language, we use words to speak or write. We arrange the words in a proper way to make a sentence. And we cannot make the sentences without them. In English language, all the words belong to a word class called the parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech. We know them as noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Each part of speech has a specific use and function. Today, I will explain you about noun and 2 kinds of noun, common noun and proper noun. First of all, let us know about noun. Noun is a naming word. Everything around us has a name. So noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or animal. For example, Ahmed is playing. I love my car. Sana likes apples. Peacock is dancing in the park. Ahmed, car, Sana, apples, peacock, park are nouns. Now I will explain you about kinds of noun, common noun and proper noun. A common noun is a general name of a person, place, thing or animal. Common nouns do not need capital letters unless they are part of title or the start of a sentence. For example, boy, hospital, fruit, lion. Let's look at these sentences to understand common noun. The girl has a beautiful cat. In this sentence, girl and cat are common noun. Girl and cat can be anyone without being a specific name. My uncle has a big house. In this sentence, uncle and house are common nouns. Let's discuss about proper noun. A proper noun is a specific name of a person, place, thing or animal. Proper nouns require capital letters, even when they are not at the start of a sentence. For example, Ali, city hospital, mango, Simba. Let's understand proper noun with help of some examples. Ali lives in Mirpur Khas. In this sentence, Ali and Mirpur Khas are proper nouns. Pakistan is a beautiful country. Pakistan is a proper noun. Here are some examples of common noun and proper noun. Now I am going to give you a worksheet to learn more about common noun and proper noun. Here is a worksheet in which you have to write common noun and proper noun. And next is activity. And this activity you have to find common noun and underline them and circle the proper noun. And I hope you guys will enjoy your home task. Goodbye guys.